Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can call a contact and make that phone call through the Command Mobile app. So first we'll open our Command Mobile app. You can see it at the top of my screen, the red square with a white KW. Go ahead and tap the app. And then from here, if you had not recently logged in, you would be prompted with a sign-in screen here. You'll need to enter your username and password, and then an MFA code, that multi-factor authentication verification code. And so once you do that, it should bring you right here to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, we want to navigate to the contact that you want to make the phone call to. You can use any of the links here on the dashboard to do so, or at the very bottom of your screen, you can see a little person in a square. That's your contacts tab. So you can go ahead and tap on that as well to come right here to your contacts. Then you can use the search bar at the top of your screen along with any of the tabs and filters to locate that contact that you want to reach out to. We're just going to go ahead and scroll down here to fictional person, and we will reach out to him. As you can see here, notice that the phone icon is surrounded with a white square with a little bit of a shadow behind it indicating that it's raised. That lets you know that there is a primary phone number on file in this contact that we will be able to use to make a phone call. So from here, we can just go ahead and tap that phone icon, and you should be prompted with something like this. It's asking you if you want to use your primary device to call your phone from your phone number, or if you want to use the WhatsApp. We will actually use our own phone device, so we'll choose the top option. And from here, you should see a prompt like this asking you if you want to go ahead and call that phone number. Now, you can go ahead and choose the blue one to make that call directly, and it will actually start calling on your phone device and make that call. We're going to choose cancel and come back to this screen. Either way, whether you were able to make that phone call, whether you got voicemail, busy number, actually reach them, whichever it is, or like us, you hit the cancel button, it will bring you back here to your contacts in your Command Mobile app and give you a prompt if you'd like to add activity. Now, this would add it to that contact's timeline so that you can record that you actually made a phone call attempt to them. So we'll go ahead and choose add activity. And here you can go ahead and fill out this information. Notice the first field is already filled out for us as a phone call. You can choose the date and it already populates today. And you get to choose whether we talked, left a voicemail, or no answer. So we'll just choose no answer, and you can actually add a description down at the bottom if you did leave a voicemail or had a conversation. That way you can remember what was discussed. And from here, go ahead and click save. You'll get a banner at the bottom letting you know the activity was added to that contact. And now you can move on to the next one. So if you just have a few minutes in between your appointments or whatever it is you're doing, you can actually hammer out some lead generation here or contacts to your database pretty quickly through your Command Mobile app and keep it documented. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.